The soft glow of morning sunlight streams through a workshop window, highlighting dust motes dancing above various wooden boards. Let's explore how to choose the perfect wood for your project. Think of wood selection like choosing ingredients for a recipe. Get it right, and you're halfway to success. First, understand the fundamental difference between hardwoods and softwoods. Hardwoods, like oak and maple, come from deciduous trees, those that lose their leaves seasonally. Running your hand across a piece of oak, you'll feel its dense, resilient surface. These woods are ideal for furniture that needs to last generations. Softwoods, like pine and cedar, come from evergreen trees. They're lighter, easier to work with, and more budget-friendly, perfect for learning woodworking or creating quick projects where durability isn't the top priority. Perfect for learning woodworking or creating quick projects where durability isn't the top priority. But there's more to consider than just hard versus soft. For outdoor projects, you'll want naturally weather-resistant woods like cedar or teak. Their natural oils repel moisture and resist decay. For indoor furniture, you might prioritize appearance, perhaps the striking grain pattern of cherry or the classic elegance of walnut. Don't overlook engineered woods like plywood or MDF. While they lack the character of solid wood, they're stable and consistent, ideal for cabinets or shelving. Just keep them away from moisture. When you're at the lumberyard, inspect your boards carefully. Look for straight grain, minimal knots, and no warping. A good piece of wood should feel dry to the touch. Moisture can lead to problems later. Remember, choosing wood is about balancing three key factors: durability for your intended use, your budget constraints, and the aesthetic appeal you're after. Get these right and you're well on your way to creating something beautiful and lasting.